Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV, and in this video, I am going to talk about 3 best Android apps to create Instagram story. Unfold. Unfold is a free Android app to make attractive and graphics-rich Instagram stories. This app offers 25 free templates that you can use to make beautiful Instagram stories. Each of these templates has a unique layout. To make your story post, select the desired template, and add your media by tapping on the plus icon. After that, you can add text to the post and customize its format accordingly. You can choose a font face and color for the text and scale it for a perfect fit. Apart from the template layout, you can add new text anywhere on your story and change the background color as well. StoryArt. StoryArt has over a dozen free templates, where each template further has around 10 design layouts. The process of making an Instagram story with this app is same as Unfold. You can select a template and add your photo and text. Unlike Unfold, this app doesn't have video support, you can only add images in the story. For the text, you get unique text designs which are very attractive and stylish. You can choose a font and color for the text, change size, add character and line spacing. StoryMaker. StoryMaker is another free Android app to make beautiful Instagram stories. This app has dozens of templates with unique layout, and all these templates are free. You can choose any desired layout to open it in the editor, where you can add your photos and/or text. While adding a photo, you can scale it to fit perfectly in the layout. You can also customize the text by choosing a font face, color, size, and other formatting options. Unlike other Instagram Story Maker apps on this list, this app lets you add a background to your story. It offers over a dozen texture backgrounds which you can add to your story. That's it guys, these are the 3 free Instagram Story Maker apps. These apps make beautiful Instagram stories in minutes. Go ahead, give them all a try and share your favorite with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe us for more.